Hi everyone, welcome to Laugh of the Day number 317. It is November 12th, 2016. I'm Dave Berman, host of Daily Laughers, bringing you inspiration to create a daily laughter practice. We'd like to see everybody around the world choosing to laugh on purpose every single day for the health, social, spiritual, and professional benefits that you get, which not only are good for you, but are going to have a positive impact on the people all around you. This is what we call laughter yoga. It's in over 100 countries. We've featured people laughing with us in these videos from 54 countries outside of America and 40 states inside the U.S. Joining me today from Charleston, South Carolina, this is newly certified laughter yoga leader Diane Perkins. Hi Diane, thanks for laughing with me today.
Hi. Oh, thank you. So happy to be with you today.
Yeah, I appreciate you volunteering. That always makes things easier for me. So I want to get your story about how you came to laughter yoga and what you're doing with it now. But first, let's show some people your favorite ways to laugh.
Fantastic. Well, for today, what I wanted to do is 4 laughter yoga exercises associated with the fact that we are entering the winter holiday season.
All right.
And holidays can bring us some joy, and they can also bring us some stress. So hopefully, yeah, exactly. So we're going to do 4, starting with crabby Scrooge that yields into laughing, and then a sneezing one, and a hot soup one, and balloon laughter. And to make it easy for people, I think we can probably just have them follow along with what we're doing without a lot of verbal introduction. I think many people hopefully are familiar with these exercises, and even if they aren't, it should be easy to follow along.
Just copy what we do and laugh with us. Yep.
Okay. So Scrooge. Great big bowl of hot soup. Okay, so balloons for parties. You've been to them, you're having them, you need to blow them.
Okay, so we're taking a big deep breath in first, and then we'll blow it out into the balloon. Okay.
Yes, and then pop it in, laughter will come out.
Okay.
Let's do another one.
Okay.
do one more.
One more.
And this one, we're going to save the laughter inside of it, okay? We're going to take it with us later, okay?
All right. Okay. I'm going to just rub it and hang it on the wall. Okay.
Yes, we can hang it on the wall. So that one we can take with us to a party or keep with us for whenever we need a good laugh.
Nice. Balloon laughter is great because it gives us the pretext for doing the deep breathing, which is also an important part of laughter yoga. And if people are laughing and they ever feel dizzy or lightheaded, it just means that you need to pause and take a couple of deep breaths. So good thing for us always to point out. I know you learned that in your laughter yoga leader training. What inspired you to get trained, and what are you doing now that you have that certification as a laughter leader?
Yeah, well, I moved to Charleston, South Carolina just a few months ago, and there are no active laughter yoga clubs here. So I wanted to become a certified laughter yoga leader so that I could start a club.
Perfect.
Absolutely. I haven't yet started a club, though, because I need a venue to hold sessions in. And I think it would be a great fit for a yoga studio or a similar facility, because even though what we did here today has been focused on smaller movements that will come across better on Skype, a full 30-minute laughter yoga session can involve a lot of playful movement.
Yeah.
So some sort of a good space would be fantastic.
Yeah, community center also works well. There's a lot of people who lead classes at senior centers. So, yeah, hopefully people watching this video who recognize they have an appropriate space will reach out to you. How can they contact you?
Yeah, and so if folks could reach me through email, I've set up an email account for this, and it's laughteryogacharleston, all one word spelled out, laughteryogacharleston@gmail.com.
All right, so we'll put that in the description of this video to make it easy for people to click and message you. Meanwhile, are you laughing every day?
I have been laughing every day for 21 days.
I'm a daily laugher! Yay, good for you. Congratulations. So 21 days, you said.
21 days of daily laughter. I have been laughing since January 2015, so the 21 days is my newest daily laughter streak.
Awesome. And that is our mission here for viewers. We're aiming to inspire you to have your own daily laughter practice, because you're going to discover on the surface most minimal benefits, less stress, more joy, and better overall health. People around you are going to be positively impacted. And so we say choosing to laugh every day is the least you can do for a healthier, happier, more peaceful world.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we invite our viewers to subscribe to Daily Laughers on YouTube, join our Daily Laughers Facebook group, and tune in tomorrow and every day to meet new, interesting people from around the world who are going to share with us different ways to get that laughter just coming from within you. We don't have to depend on jokes, humor, or anything outside of us. We just allow it to come through us. Diane, thank you so much for laughing with me today. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.